Yeah, so on today's channel, yeah, it's just for inspiration purpose, not to brag or to boast. Yeah, I want to show you how much YouTube paid me for 200 views. I got $12 for 200 views, and I want to show you with a proof. So join me on my phone screen and let me show you with a proof. YouTube paid me $12 for every 200 views. So join me on my phone screen and let me show you. The name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, a co-founder of Runner Technology Company. Let's go, Papa. Welcome to my phone screen. Yeah, the name still remains the same. I'm Kenneth Rhymes, the CEO of Runner Technology Company. Yeah, so no time to waste. I want to show you how I make $12. That's equivalent to 150 cedis a day from 200 views. So I want to show you the proof and tell you much about it. Yeah, so let's go to my content. Yeah, so here's the content. So I want to show you a video I made. So this one is 227. So I want to show you how much I make from 227 every day. So let's assume today I released a video today and I got 200 views. I'll be cashing out, let's say $10 plus. Yeah, so right now this video I got 227 views. Yeah, so I want to show you the money I got from it. I got how many? $12.60. So $12.60. Let's calculate it. So let me go to my Google and let's calculate how much is $12.60 in Ghana city. Yeah, so 12.60 two cities. So it's 177.03. 177.03. Yeah. So this is the amount I make from my 200 views every day. So let's assume if I make videos today and have, let's say, 200 plus views. Yeah, so I want to show you how I make this amount. You know something, in Ghana or in the world, if you make videos more about finance, like how to make money, how to date, so you have to search for a niche that pays much. So like when you come to YouTube, the niche that pays huge is financial videos. So when you make videos about financial and tech, yeah, you have more money than those who make videos about funny videos, about trending videos. Now, yeah, you make more money than them. So if you want to make this amount of money, yeah, you have to create a YouTube account first, and first you have to find a nice niche. Let's say you can do videos about finance, tech, yeah, about teaching concerning how to make money. Yeah, you can make a lot of income. So you can make 100 cities or 170 cities every day. So if you want to start a YouTube channel and not have any knowledge about it, you can contact me and I will guide you on the best niche for you. So you can chat me on the number in my description and I will teach you a lot about YouTube and a lot about the niche you have to be in it. Like a lot of people will be saying, oh, on YouTube you should have a lot of views before you can earn more money. Yeah, that one is true, but the niche also matters. Someone have, let's say, 20,000 views on one video, but he or she don't have enough revenue for that particular video. But me, if I do video and got, let's say, 30 views, I'll be having $2 plus. So let's assume if I get 200 views, I'll be having $10 to $12 plus. Yeah, so thank you for watching my YouTube videos, and if you want more ideas to grow on YouTube, you can chat me and let's talk. I'm out.